this is Mrs. Moulton. I bet many of you have seen me around campus and wondered, who am I? What do I do here? Well, I'm the academic coach, and what I get to do is I get to work with your teachers on designing awesome lessons. I want you guys to have the best learning experiences in your classrooms. So together, we're trying to create opportunities for you to really dig in. So I have a new space now, and some of you I get to work with. If I haven't had a chance to work with you, I hope to be in your class soon. So let me show you my new space where I work with teachers and with students. Lucky me. So this is my desk, and there's our calendar. I'm sure many of you have a calendar as well at home, and my tables, so that when we get together as teachers, as students, we can think and work together. So I hope you are having a great open house and have great stories to share with your parents about what's happening on campus. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye, guys.